Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Wallet. Today, I will be sharing a complete guide on how you can start earning money online right here in the USA. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, passive income, or even a full-time online career, this video has something for you. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll reveal the highest paying method most people don't talk about. Let's get started. Section 1, Freelancing, get paid for your skills. First up, freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to make money online. If you have skills like graphic design, video editing, content writing, or programming, you can get paid for your work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Steps to start freelancing. 1. Create an account, sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Build your profile, highlight your skills, past work, and experience. 3. Start bidding on projects, apply for jobs that match your skills. 4. Deliver quality work, build a strong reputation for repeat clients. Pro tip: start with lower prices to gain reviews, then increase your rates as you get more clients. Section 2, Affiliate Marketing, earn by promoting products. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make passive income online. You get paid a commission for promoting products from brands like Amazon, Walmart, and even software companies. How to start affiliate marketing. 1. Join an affiliate program, sign up for Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. 2. Choose products to promote, find trending or high commission products. 3. Create content, write blogs, make YouTube videos, or post on social media. 4. Share your affiliate link, earn money whenever someone buys through your link. Example: imagine you promote a $100 gadget with a 10% commission. If 10 people buy it through your link, you earn $100. Section 3, Selling digital products, passive income opportunity. Why work for money when you can let money work for you? Selling digital products is a great way to make passive income. Examples of digital products: ebooks, sell guides on topics you're knowledgeable about, online courses, teach something valuable on Udemy or Teachable, printables templates, sell designs on Etsy or Gumroad. Steps to get started. 1. Create a high-quality product. It could be an ebook, a planner, or a tutorial. 2. Use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. These help you sell easily. 3. Market it on social media. Use TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram for free promotion. Pro tip: once your product is made, you can keep making money without doing extra work. Section 4, YouTube, get paid for your videos. Yes. YouTube is not just for fun, it's a money-making machine. You earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Steps to start making money on YouTube. 1. Choose a niche, tech, fitness, finance, or even lifestyle. 2. Create engaging videos, focus on high-quality content. 3. Get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, then apply for YouTube monetization. 4. Earn through ad sponsorships, brands will pay you for promotion. Section 5, Dropshipping, start an online store without inventory. Want to sell products without keeping inventory? Dropshipping lets you sell items without ever touching them. How it works: 1. Set up a Shopify store, use Shopify or WooCommerce. 2. Find suppliers, use AliExpress or Spocket to source products. 3. Run Facebook, TikTok ads, bring traffic to your store. 4. Make profits without holding stock. Final section, bonus, high-paying online jobs. Before we wrap up, here are some high-paying online jobs you can do part-time or full-time. 1. Virtual assistant, VA, help businesses with emails, scheduling, and admin tasks. $15 to $40 per hour. 2. Remote customer service, answer calls or chats for companies. $12 to $25 per hour. 3. Transcription jobs, convert audio to text for companies like Rev, $20 to $50 per hour. 4. Selling stock photos, if you love photography, sell images on Shutterstock. And that's it. Now you know how to start making money online in the USA. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future money-making tips.